my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of foreign exchange markets. I'll start with the euro against the dollar. A significant second bullish white soldier yesterday. Not only did it punch up through the February high at 122.42 and make the fourth highest close of the year, but it also closed over the two downtrends of the 2008 to date move, which is currently at 122.35, and the 2011 to date move, which is currently at 122.46, if only just on the latter. I suspect the closes over the downtrends were the more important of all that jumble of action. Ahead, we now have the 2018 to date downtrend, currently at 123.21. That is just in front of the 2021 high at 123.49. Overall, what initially looked like it might be a bull flag formation over recent weeks, then a possible, unusual broadening formation, right-angled and ascending, may be further morphing into a bull channel, currently 121.55 to 123.38. For the moment, I will still keep the provisional target X for the bull flag above in the 124.35 area. But as you can see, there's been, and still is, lots on the journey, on the journey up there. So far today, a cautionary pullback down into the midst of the broken downtrends, but that is all. Below we have the March 2018 low at 121.52 as support. Cable, aka sterling against the US dollar. A second consecutive indecisive doji cross yesterday, despite making the fourth highest high of this year. This is yet further indications of the recent intraday indecision in the market, as the bullish forces, evident since September of last year, meet up with the latest challenge overhead, the last of the trio of the overhead resistance of 140.75, 141.43, and of course, in this case, the March 2018 high at 142.43. This March 2018 high caused the high back in February at 142.35 and the high last week at 142.33. We're also tantalizingly close to the preliminary target X in the 142.45 area for the double bottom pattern formed since mid-March. A full target X1 for the pattern is in the 143.30 area. Overall, we're still in between the lower time below, currently at 138.70, together with its long-term partner, the medium moving average, currently 138.61, whilst above we have the middle time, currently 143.29. Both times are from this June to September 2020 bullish shift pitch, and please remember this pitch was given the bullish angle of attack of this market since September of last year. As a postscript, the latest move up can be traced back to the weekly key reversal up made 3 weeks ago. So far today, a small dip below the congestion at 141.43, but not much else, and looking again like an indecisive doji cross, maybe an indecisive spinning top perhaps, but it's still early. Euro sterling. A second bullish white soldier yesterday and a suitable follow-on to the previous session's bullish opening white Mariposa and bullish engulfing pattern. The base of the action was the ever-present rising short medium moving average, currently 86.20, whilst the cap was the April 2020 low at 86.69. I've spoken a while now about a new smaller pattern emerging, a possible small bear flag pattern over the last 2 weeks. Nothing is for certain as yet, and this is looking more remote as an idea in recent days. However, I still think it is worth considering because we have the rapidly descending medium moving average, currently 86.83, not only entering the frame from above but about to hit the market. So caution. So far today, not much. A move either side of yesterday's close at 86.55, looking like a indecisive spinning top maybe, but it's early yet. US dollar against the Indian rupee. A really small and any view and only just bearish engulfing pattern yesterday, as well as a fourth bearish black crow. Now I've highlighted the small size and the only just nature of yesterday's action because it seems to be significant, as the market halted once again at the 2018 to date uptrend, currently at 72.76. overhead, we still have the flatlining medium moving average currently at 73.31. Whilst further below, we have a group of congestion from the 50% Fibonacci line of the July 2019 to April 2020 move at 72.64 down to the February 2020 high at 72.05. Now it all starts at this weak looking 2018 today uptrend, which perhaps is not that weak after all. So far today, well, a break below the uptrend, but then halting at the first real strong support, the 50% Fibonacci line at 72.64. US dollar against the Brazilian real. A fourth countering bullish harami yesterday, as the general uncertainty that seemingly infested the market over the last 2 weeks seems to be sorting itself out with another higher though limited move. However, the potential still exists for a possible bear flag formation, as moving below and closing below the lesser recent 38.2% Fibonacci line at 534.15 seems to still give credence to the idea. I will still keep for the moment at least target X1 below, a possible full target for the recent sideways triangle at 513.80. Now further overhead, we still have a trio of resistances, the recent 50% Fibonacci line at 544.41, medium moving average currently 547.54, and the long moving average currently 543.99. Though they are separating from each other and thus reducing their overall combined power. Please remember that. US dollar against the Mexican peso. A third countering bullish harami yesterday as the market exhibited further intraday indecision. And the market continues to be gently squeezed between the overhead flatlining short moving average currently at 1996.08 and nearby neckline currently at 20.0054 of the late February to early April head and shoulders top, whilst below we have the significant support congestion at 1971.68 and further down the potential targets from this head and shoulders top and one from mid-January, late March. In the first case, we have an initial target X1 in the 19.5 area with a full target X2 down in the 1885.5 area. Second case, we had an initial target X3 in the 1971.70 area with a full target X4 down in the 19 even area. Now the initial target X3 here has already been achieved. I'll keep these on here just in case. So far today, well, we're on course for a possible fourth counter. A slightly higher open, though still capped by the short moving average, and a subsequent pullback down. We're close to unchanged on Friday's close right now. Well, not even Friday's close, we're close to unchanged on Monday's close right now. And actually looking a little bit like possibly a bearish double, but it's still early yet. Thank you for listening to this short version broadcast with essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.